everyone, I'm Lucy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we've got a very exciting video and these products have actually been gifted for me to test out, try out and review for you guys. So I cannot wait to try them out and see what I actually think to it. So the company I have got the products gifted from today is Lily England. So thank you so much for sending me these products to try out. If you've not heard of Lily England before, they are a vegan hair brand. So they do hair straighteners, hair curlers, hair brushes, literally all types of hair brushes you could imagine, and makeup brushes and stuff along those lines. I will leave their website down below so you can check them out, and I think you can order off Amazon as well, but I would just buy from their site because it's super easy. But let's just dive straight on into the products and show you what we've got today. I actually picked up the Lily England Deluxe hair straighteners in the rose gold edition, and let me just tell you, their packaging is phenomenal and their products look absolutely insane. So I am so excited right now. Hence I've kind of got the curly hair because we're going to be straightening my hair, so what better way to test it out with my natural hair, taking it back. Don't think I've even filmed like a proper YouTube video with my hair this curly before. Yeah, this is going to be a proper test on the hair straighteners to see whether they are any good and whether they will actually straighten your hair. So if they can straighten my hair, I'm pretty sure they could straighten anyone else's. And to go with the straighteners, they also gifted me some hair brushes, and this is the marble hairbrush set, and I am so excited for these as well. So I don't even think you're ready to see how cute these hairbrushes are in this hairbrush set. But to start off with, we've got like this paddle brush. How cute is this? It's rose gold marble. Absolutely love it. It's also got a bristle missing in the middle of it. Helps straighten and smooths hair. Flexible bristles to detangle without pulling. We need that with my curly hair. So if this can get through my curly hair, then anything that she can. That's the first brush that we got in this set. We then got this barrel brush, which I typically use if I wanted to blow dry my hair. I don't typically blow dry my hair just purely for the fact I want to use less heat on my curly hair, but we've got this hairbrush and no doubt my mum will be stealing this. And again, it's got that rose gold barrel with the marble effect all down it with the Lily England logo on it. The bristles feel so nice as well, not like it's just going to rip your hair out, because I know quite a few brushes like this can be quite hard. It just kind of rips your hair out, where this one, it seems decent. And then we have a nice comb with a little point at the end. I wish this point was a little bit sharper, just so that it would help me kind of like part on my hair a little bit more. But got to love a little comb for styling, especially as I'm going to be straightening my hair. And then we've got two little rose gold clips, and how cute are these? Again, absolutely love these little hair clips. So they're going to help me today whilst I straighten my hair. So how cute is that little brush set? I absolutely love these, and it's so cute that they all match together. I'm probably going to say cute way too many times, but literally obsessed with this print. They do so many different things, kind of like similar vibes. So if that is something that you are interested in, then I would definitely check that out. Moving on to the best part of all is probably the hair straighteners. And I took these out earlier just so that I could then actually get them up to temperature for this video. But how cute are these? Again, it's got that rose gold theme throughout. Here it's got a little digital display saying 180 degrees because that's the temperature I'm going to be using on my hair today. Just love the little pink and the white and the rose gold. It kind of gives me Molly May X Beauty Works style of straightener, whereas this one's so much more affordable, and the shape of the barrel as well is rounded so that you can straighten and curl your hair with this as well. It's got this little button here which you pull back and push forward so that you can kind of keep the hair straighteners together, which is perfect to travel. The only thing I would say about it, it doesn't come with a heat-proof covering, it doesn't come with a heat-proof glove, and it doesn't come with like a heat-proof mat. So I've got my old one kind of here ready so that I don't burn the place down. So that's something to be wary of. Something else to also mention with the hair straighteners is that they do have a safety auto shut off after an hour, which I think is really good, because the amount of times I've left stuff on about burn the place down because I forget to turn my stuff off. It's good that it will do it if I forget. And for reference as well, this hair straightener goes up to 230 degrees, which I'm never going to use that on my hair, otherwise it will fall out. So I'm just going to stick to my trusty 180 degrees and see how that turns out. So on the box for these hair straighteners, it says the deluxe hair straightener will help you achieve super sleek straight hair and perfectly flowing curls. So we'll see kind of how that turns out. So let's style my hair, put it up and start straightening my hair and see how we kind of get on. So I have just started off by kind of shoving my hair in a little bun at the top and then sectioning the bottom off, which I'll then use these clips for. So yeah, I've got like this little bit to test out first. And my hair goes so frizzy when I brush it. I always kind of brush my hair when I straighten it so that it pulls it tight because my hair is curly. So that's the first piece done and my hair feels so soft already. And yeah, they definitely work, don't they? Let's just continue on with the next section of brushing my hair and then straightening it. The best tips to when straightening hair is to make sure that you don't go over the same piece constantly and you do it in smaller sections. I always have to hold this little bit around my face, otherwise it literally sticks right out if I don't. So I have to wait for it to cool first. So I've straightened part of my hair already. You can tell such a difference. I'm loving this hair straighteners already. I'm just finding it so easy to use. Just so that this video doesn't get too boring, I'm going to quickly jump off camera, straighten the rest of my hair and then give you my final thoughts and opinions of the straightener and how it performed on my really curly hair. So I'm now back with my hair fully straightened and I absolutely love the results. I do have a few baby hairs at the top here that do stick out a little bit, but I can't help that. But I love having straight hair. It just feels so nice. Absolutely love the results. It was so quick, so easy to use these hair straighteners. If you've not got the problem of knocking the buttons to like turn the temperature up or down, which is again a bonus because I've been straightening my hair before and then it just jumps up to 230 and I wonder why it smells like my hair's burning, because it is. Whereas you don't really have that problem with these hair straighteners. And now my hair is kind of straight. I do want to kind of test out to see how well they curl. So I'm going to take a bit of my fringe and then curl it and just see what it kind of looks like. But I am really pleased with the way their hair has turned out. And I think my hair has only turned out as well straight as this because of this brush. This brush was an absolute lifesaver. It didn't rip my hair out at all. It didn't hurt my hair, which if you've got curly hair, you'll know, like a hairbrush, you put your hair in it and your head kind of goes with it because it is so rough. Whereas this detangled my hair straight away. I know it's a bit gross showing you the amount of hair in the brush, but there is literally hardly any hair in the brush as well, so it's like not ripped my hair out, which again is a bonus considering I'm trying to grow my hair. I know I say that once I've straightened my hair, but just love testing out some hair straighteners. So yeah, I think this is an absolute lifesaver as well, this paddle brush. So if you don't have one, I definitely recommend getting one for when you straighten your hair or just in general. Cannot recommend this hair straightener enough. It's such affordable for the price as well, and it just kind of goes with the aesthetics of my room as well, which just makes me love it even more. So I am going to actually attempt to just take the front piece of my hair and just curl it. I know it will probably look a little bit stupid, but it's just kind of like a testing video. I mean, we're testing these hair straighteners out, so why not? Just take such a small section and twist it down. It's curled so well already, and I think curling my hair like this, I prefer it than just straight, because my hair is quite choppy because of having naturally curly hair. My hair is just choppy and all over the place, so I do like to add curls in just to kind of like volumize my hair. And when I have hair extensions in, I just kind of do this to my hair a little bit just to kind of frame my face and blend in with my hair extensions. So yeah, I love how this little curl has just turned out. I feel like I'm going to use too much heat on my hair, so I'm not going to try and test out even more curls on my hair. I just purely for the fact I don't want to use too much heat on my hair, and I've already straightened it. It's like basically a 2-in-1, so this is so perfect. And then you can literally just put it up like this, and then let's just turn it off. And then it says off on the little LED display when it is turned off. The only thing is though, I wish it did beep to say whether it's on or off or up to temperature, even though it just says on screen it like kind of counts up until it reaches that temperature. But yeah, this is kind of like the finished result. We've got my straight hair. I feel like I need to tuck that bit back because this bit's curly and this bit's straight. But yeah, this is my finished result. Absolutely love Lily England, and I'm so happy that they reached out to me to try out their products because I absolutely love them, especially this hairbrush, and the straightener is just perfect for literally anyone's hair type. If it can literally straighten my hair, it can straighten anyone's hair. If you do have any questions regarding Lily England, please let me know by commenting down below, and I'll try my best to get back to you and help you out in any situations. But yeah, love their style and the rose gold aesthetics. I'm so here for that. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time for another video.